interesting little video for you. If you're putting on a wheel bearing and the wheel bearing gets jammed up as you tighten it, this may be the cause. So this is the new wheel bearing, this is the original. We take the calipers and we measure off the top and we get 18 here. We measure off the top here and we get 15. There's two wheel bearings, so basically both wheel bearings, when you put them into the hub and tighten up the hub, they have to kiss each other, or these flanges here will touch off each other when they're inside the hub and everything is tight. And my wheel bearing keeps jamming up and I can't figure out why. So the difference is 6mm. Obviously when you add the two of them together, the 3mm and 3mm will be 6mm. So here's a little 6mm spacer. It's an old wheel bearing that I cut up, put on the lathe, and it's now 6mm on the new one. So that's the 6mm added up. And when you put the second wheel bearing in and you tighten it, it all works. Don't know, it took me 2 hours to figure out. Brilliant.